Left-handedness and left-footedness are not necessarily correlated. While some individuals may be both left-handed and left-footed, it is not always the case. Left-handedness refers to a preference for using the left hand over the right hand in activities such as writing or throwing, whereas left-footedness pertains to a preference for using the left foot over the right foot, typically in activities such as kicking or balancing. The dominance of the left hand and left foot is determined by the brain's lateralization, which occurs during fetal development. Lateralization is the process by which different functions of the brain become specialized in either the left or right hemisphere. In most individuals, the left hemisphere of the brain controls language processing and motor control of the right side of the body, while the right hemisphere specializes in spatial awareness and motor control of the left side of the body. However, this division is not exclusive, and some individuals can display variations in their lateralization patterns. As a result of these variations, some people exhibit left-handedness, where the left hemisphere of their brain has a dominant role in controlling fine motor skills, while others are predominantly right-handed. Similarly, some individuals may have a stronger preference for using their left foot in motor activities, making them left-footed, while others primarily rely on their right foot. It is important to note that left-handedness and left-footedness are not universal traits, with the majority of the population being right-handed and right-footed. Interestingly, the prevalence of left-handedness and left-footedness varies among populations. Research suggests that approximately 10–15% of the global population is left-handed, with slightly higher rates observed in males than females. The prevalence of left-handedness can also vary across cultures and historical periods. However, the exact causes of left-handedness and left-footedness are still not fully understood, and both genetic and environmental factors are believed to contribute to these traits. While left-handedness and left-footedness are not necessarily connected, it is possible for an individual to be both left-handed and left-footed. Such individuals may exhibit a higher degree of bilateral brain lateralization, and their neural wiring may slightly differ from those who are either right-handed or right-footed. Nonetheless, it is important to emphasize that being left-handed or left-footed does not indicate any superiority or inferiority. These variations simply reflect diverse patterns of brain development and motor skills. Contrary to popular belief, being left-handed or left-footed does not necessarily result in significant disadvantages in daily life. While some tools, such as scissors or musical instruments, are predominantly designed for right-handed people, left-handed individuals can easily adapt to using them with a little practice. Additionally, numerous left-handed athletes have achieved remarkable success in various sports, showcasing that left-handedness or left-footedness does not limit physical abilities or athletic prowess. In conclusion, left-handedness and left-footedness are not always linked, although some individuals may exhibit both traits. Left-handedness and left-footedness are primarily determined by the brain's lateralization process, which occurs during fetal development. While approximately 10–15% of the global population is left-handed, the prevalence of left-handedness can vary across cultures. Being left-handed or left-footed does not imply any inherent superiority or inferiority. Instead, it highlights the diversity of human brain development and motor skills. Ultimately, whether one is left-handed, right-handed, left-footed, or right-footed, it is important to recognize and embrace these individual differences. Did we forget any useful tips? Let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know what you'd like to learn more about next.